Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PlateUp multiplayer. First, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the Play option to begin your culinary adventure. PlateUp allows up to 4 players to collaborate, managing a bustling restaurant and serving hungry customers. You can choose to play locally with friends on the same device or connect online to team up with others from anywhere. It's all about teamwork and efficient kitchen management. To host your own PlateUp game, simply select Host Game from the multiplayer menu. You'll then choose your starting restaurant layout and decide whether your lobby will be public or private. For a private game, you'll receive a unique lobby code. Share this code with your friends and they can use it to join your session directly. Remember, as the host, you control the game's progression and settings, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. Joining a friend's PlateUp game is straightforward. If your friend provides a lobby code, select Join Game from the main menu and input the code. You can also accept an invitation directly through your gaming platform's friend list, which often bypasses the need for a code. Always confirm that everyone is using the same game version to avoid any connection issues. Once connected, you'll be ready to jump into the kitchen and start cooking together. Effective teamwork is crucial for success in PlateUp multiplayer. Constant communication about customer orders, ingredient needs, and kitchen tasks will prevent confusion and keep things running smoothly. Consider assigning specific roles, such as one person cooking, another washing dishes, and a third serving, to maximize efficiency. Strategically choose upgrades and blueprints that benefit the entire team, like faster appliances or improved customer patience, to ensure your restaurant thrives through every challenging day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.